So Itic is downloaded from OCP1.
So first, show them from where they can download.
Okay. So yeah, we can download it from here in the download tools. From like if we go here, if we are downloading for the Windows environment, then need to select here Windows, or if Linux, then need to select here Linux. Just click on this link, it will get downloaded. This is here. Okay, so before starting it, we can do the our external root creation part. Follow this document.
So basically, as we are working on OCP, so we need to expose our DB2.
Yeah.
So Apur is showing how to expose our database externally.
Okay.
So this is our OCP environment. Here we need to log in as kubeadmin. So these are the command to create means exposing database externally. So this is the command for getting the password of DB. So this is the PEM file which we need for certification.
Yeah. These are like previous certificates I'm renewing.
Apu, explain little bit means what you are doing.
Yeah. So to generate the keystore file, I copied the uh, uh, .pem
PEM
file
file.
in the Java bin folder. Here I am creating the keystore. It is asking for password. Can give any password. Now it is asking for some information. So we can skip this. So I'm just entering the blank. Now I'm importing the certificate uh, in the keys tool.
Whose spelling is incorrect? That JK's file name.
Mm, okay. This one.
I thought you gave OCP, PCP. Okay,
Okay,
then it is
yeah.
fine.
Okay, sure. You can give any name, so it will not create an issue. So yeah, we created the certificate. Now we will check like we are able to connect with the database from external tool like SQL. Like we are able to connect or not. It is same, so not need to change. It is the JKS file name I'm changing. It. Okay, the connection is successful. Okay, so we are connected from the OCP1 database. It means our database is now exposed externally. Now we will install the Itic. So that And one more thing, on which VM we are installing this Itic, there should be the host entries related with the particular uh, OpenShift environment. So like uh, in my case, in this machine, I already entered the all the host entries. So it is taking the Java path. Here will be our integration composer folder will be created on the C folder. Here we are choosing database. In our case, it is DB2. Here we need to give the database name, which is
So in our case, our DB name is Blue DB.
now integration composer installed. We can check it here. This folder is created now. Before I start it, we need to do some changes. As per the README, which comes from the Itic zip file, we need to add few things here. It is mentioned here. We need to modify our DB URL. Um, Now also we need to use the latest JDBC driver. So it is here. We should use here the latest JDBC DB to JCC driver, but for now I am using this one, uh, which comes in the Itic zip file.
So basically we have to replace this, right?
Yes. Now we will start our integration composer. Its password will be the database password. So this is here. Okay, now we are logged in. Now need to
So
define.
basically, Sani, what we have to do, we are importing data from TADM. So for
Okay.
this, we need to create the data source. So we will create two data sources, one for TADM and one for our OCP environment.
Okay.
So Apurva is creating data source.
Fine.
So if we are like importing the CI types, then we need to choose this class ccmdb75 CI types. This data source name we can give any name.
So these are the steps for importing CI type. So he is giving CI details.
Okay. So based on that details, those CIs will only imported in the
Right,
max.
right. So he is creating data source for OCP. So he is giving all the details of OCP.
Okay.
The test is succeeded means all the information we given here is correct. Okay, this time it got created.
So here is our data source is datum and
One minute.
MAXIMO-IT is CI type. You started recording it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Here we have to give mapping name. Actually, I have already given mapping 1, so I'm giving mapping 2. So here we need to pass the credential of datum server.
This collation.
Collation password. These caps or
No, here is the password is different. It should be on the. Oh, it is a MAXIMO-IT password. It is different. It is on the notepad.
no, here, okay, yeah.
This is new for that. Yeah, this one. This is the password.
So from select action, we need to import. As we are importing CI type, so we will choose this option. Then we need to save the mapping. So this way we can save it. So now our mapping 2 has been created. So we have to give values in mapping.properties. So this is the file execute mapping.properties. Here mapping name is mapping 2 and our repository user is db2inst, right?
Yes.
And repository password, what we need to give? The same. And source user is datum. what we are giving here, administrator. Administrator A is caps or small?
It is a small.
Okay. Then collation. Again, we have to give here what Maximo or DB2 and Steven.
DV to ILS.
Then target password is
Let's
same one. So I'll save this. Then what we need to do? So till this step we have done. Now we have given all the values. Now we have to run this command.
Yes.
So importing data started, but it has some issue. I think this is the connection issue.
Yes, same, but I guess we are getting it last time also.
So this is the connection issue. If I will continue, will it continue or how?
I think it will continue.
Or I have to terminate this? This continued. Error resolution actions continued. Let's wait.
Yes, I think we should wait for some time.
Actually, you will see it is showing now. See, this classification started.
Yes, yes.
I think it will take around 15-20 minutes, right? Appu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then after this, we will do actuals wise.
Yes, but we can verify that uh, cell types are important and we can get this.
From UI, you are asking?
Yes.
Wait. OCP1.
I think first we should get complete.
So CI type imported, we will get this kind of message: mapping execution completed.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to do import actual CIs. So for importing actual CIs, what we have to do?
And verify it on the UI.
Yeah, one second. So these are the CI type which we have imported. So for actual CIs, what we have to do? We have to act computer system, because we will import actual CIs in this computer system. So let me activate this. So till then, it is in progress. We will create data sources for actual CIs. So for actual CIs, we have to take this one. Here we have to go maximum, right?
Yes.
Now we will create data source for TADM. We will take this one. Port is, do you remember? Port is 9433, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we need to check
No,
this
no,
use SSL.
no. For Adam, we don't need to check them.
So this is the data source for actual CIs. Now we have to create mapping for this. So here our source is this one and target is MIT actual CI. Now from select action we have to import. So this time we will choose this actual. Then save this mapping. So mapping 3 created. So again we need to change mapping details in that file. Execute mapping.properties. So same command we have to give now for actual CIs also. Let me check the document. Now actual CIs is also important.
Check on this UI. Here we will check on check is imported or not. So now here 897 actual CIs imported here.